So Beatbox, where do you want to go eat today?
When I'm in Market Common, I prefer Gordon Biersch.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're down here at the Gordon Biersch, and I'm sure Beatbox has got me right in y'all's faces. So let's go check it out.
Decided to sit out here with our friends. They're on the way, and we sat under the umbrella in the patio area.
Alrighty, and the good thing about this place that Beatbox absolutely loves is their patio is pet friendly. And you know, look at Beatbox. Not enough sleep last night.
Shoot.
And really, this is kind of like one of your man cave places. So, you know, it is a brewery, and I mean, I don't mind it because check out this view. It's awesome. So this doesn't bother me at all whenever he's like, let's eat there.
On their menu, they have appetizers, salads, pizzas, handhelds, desserts, and sides. See, on the back here is the premium wines, specialty cocktails, and non-alcoholic beverages. But one of my favorites, because they are a brewery, this is my favorite, the Golden Export. But they also have all these other delicious flavors as well.
And look how refreshing this looks. Tell us what you got.
All right, this is just a side salad.
And this is your favorite place. Alrighty, so tell them what you got, Beatbox.
All right, I got the avocado chicken. Look at that.
All right, I'm gonna come back to you. I'm gonna get her chicken.
All right. So she got the twisted.
Precious got the twisted chicken, and Mike from Lindler Resorts, he got the salmon with mashed potatoes and a bed of rice. Look at that. And I went for the meatballs like I told you that I was gonna get. And jalapeno slaw. Man, that is out of this world. Y'all need to come down here and definitely try that. And I'm gonna eat Beatbox's French fries.
Right.
But go ahead, Beatbox.
Look
Show
at
them
that.
how juicy and tender that chicken is.
And I decided to go with the avocado grilled chicken club. Lettuce, tomato, cheddar, and cilantro lime ranch. And it came with delicious French fries.
So I decided to go with my all-time favorite, spicy meatballs. Well, it's like pork meatballs. They weren't too spicy. They have cilantro and toasted cashews on them, drizzled with a delicious meat sauce. Look at that. Hey.
Yummy,
say
yummy.
Hey, Tina. It is good. So for Father's Day, the boys are gonna try their look at some red velvet cake, right? Look, Mike wants this first one.
Oh.
All right, Mike. It's fine. He's a daddy. Let him do it. Oh my goodness.
He actually got all the icing.
That's all right. Let's see.
You need to give yourself in.
So tell us, what's it taste like? Is it moist?
Good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Is it moist?
Yeah.
All right, take a tablespoon.
Forward now.
Good gosh.
Good gosh. Look at that.
Oh,
We got to
gosh.
see what you think.
Okay.
All right, and Beatbox is going in from the front. Mike went in from the back. Oh. So what do you think? Survey says Beatbox is done passed out. Y'all look like y'all were riding the slingshot.
10, damn.
10. All right. All right, let's see what Precious thinks. Oh, Lord, she knocked it down. She did that just for meanness.
Of course we can.
All right, let's see what she thinks. She might be. Just to let you know, red velvet does have vinegar in it, so hey.
The ending is better than the beginning.
The ending is better than the beginning. Ready? Let's see.
All right, go ahead.
And here is it. Oh gosh, that's way too big.
No, get the big piece.
All right, I'm gonna get a little bit of the icing and this caramel. Let's see. Do that, Mike. Lord.
You good?
That's pretty good.
Right.
You don't taste the vinegar at all.
I know.
Not at all. Well, there you have it. That was a look at Gordon Biersch right here in the Market Commons. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to always subscribe. And as always, keep beaching. And we'll see you in the next video. So Beatbox, where do you want to go eat?
When I'm in the
Whenever. So Beatbox, where do you want to eat today?
when I'm at Market Commons, God, I say. She said the what?
They also have a ahi-tini salad.
You mean tuna?
And I hadn't even started drinking yet. Beatbox, where do you want to go eat?
When I'm in Market Commons, I prefer Gordon Biersch.